back to my channel. So today we are going to just go and eat breakfast and watch some TV. Okay, so I'll just go and we'll just go and wake up the kids. Yes, and let's go. Okay, let's go. Okay, so now we're going downstairs. Okay, so now we're gonna go and make breakfast for all of you. So let's go downstairs. So let me just do some breakfast. While you're waiting, you can sit here, guys.
While you're waiting,
You can sit here, guys. Wait, why are you wearing my bow? Okay, we're gonna get it. I'll just put some soft music until, guys, you finish. I'll continue the music that was before because it's really nice. Okay, so I'm gonna go and do breakfast. I'll put the music now. Wait, I'll put the news. Okay, so let me just put egg and I'll put some music. Let me just put them in the plate for all of us. It's telling us it's heat, look, because it's telling us so it's finished. So let me just put for me. I'm done every time. What is this big finally? Okay, and where's another bacon for us? Okay, finally we're done. Okay, so I just give them the plates for the kids. Okay, thanks, Mom. You're welcome. Okay, so that's meant for me. It's just not coming out. I put it as so this for you. This is really hard now. I need to wait years till this go out. This is really hard to go out. How can I put it out? How does this go out? I want to do it. This is so mean. I'll get another. Finally, I'm done from this thing. This is really bad. Okay, so let me just go and eat meat even. Okay, so I'll just go and get some egg. I'll just eat the egg. So yummy. Thanks, Mom. You're welcome. Super yummy. It's so nice. Let me just put them in the washing machine so they can clean. And I'll put coffee for us so we can drink. Let me just remove this so it can do it. Just remove these also. Okay, so now okay, so finally. Did you like, guys, my house? I just changed it. I went to this house. Okay, so now we're just gonna go and sit here because I'm gonna do coffee for us. You guys doing anything? No, I'll just get I'll get marshmallow. No, not. I'll get cookies. Okay, so let me just put. I'll get some cups for us. Okay, so now we are going to just get the cups, and here's yours and here's mine. Okay, so let me just put them now in the cup. Where's this one? Finally, I put it. Okay, so I'm gonna put it back. It was there, right? Oh. Okay, I'll just put it. I'll just give you cookies. So good, yes. Okay, so let me just put these away. Okay, and I'll drink my coffee and my coffee. Okay, so let me put the coffee back. Okay, so just give you some marshmallows so you can eat them. And I'll just get these so we can put them in the washing machine because they're dirty now. Okay, so let me just put them and wash them. Okay, so I'll put the coffee back now. Let me put it back. Okay, so so now I'm gonna just go and sit here. We'll watch some TV. Okay, so let's go and watch some TV. Here's our spot, and here's your spot, and here's my spot. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and like. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you. Bye. We're just gonna go and sit here. Okay, guys. Bye. Subscribe and like.